In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do voiceovers in CapCut. Whether you're narrating a tutorial, a reel, or a quick promo, I'll show you how to generate a polished AI voiceover directly inside CapCut, using only the built-in tools. Start by opening CapCut on the web or in the mobile app. Both versions work for this workflow, so use whatever you're comfortable with. For best results, have your script ready and keep your internet connection stable while rendering. Next, head to the area labeled Create AI Voiceovers from Text or Audio. This is CapCut's text-to-speech section, and it's where you'll paste your script or bring in audio if that's part of your process. If you're working from text, keep sentences short and clear. Punctuation matters here. Commas and periods help the AI pause naturally, and question marks shape the intonation. Click Create New to start a fresh voiceover. This opens a clean workspace so you can focus on your narration without distractions. If you're using text, paste it in now. A quick tip: spell out numbers and dates and add line breaks where you want longer pauses. If your script includes tricky names or acronyms, consider adding phonetic hints in parentheses to guide pronunciation. For tone, let's try news. This style is designed for clarity and authority, making it a great fit for explainers, updates, and crisp how-to content. It gives your script a confident cadence without sounding rushed. Now, select a voice. CapCut offers multiple options, often with different accents and energies. Use the preview button to sample a few and listen for pacing, warmth, and clarity. Think about your audience and the mood you're aiming for. For this example, click on Detective. It adds a slightly dramatic, investigative tone, perfect for storytelling, recaps, or anything that needs a bit of intrigue. If that vibe isn't right for your project, you can always switch to a more neutral option in the same menu. When you're happy with the setup, click Generate. CapCut will synthesize your voiceover and produce an audio clip. Give it a quick listen. If a word sounds off, adjust the spelling, add a comma, or break the sentence into 2 lines, then generate again. Tiny text tweaks can make a big difference in how natural the voice feels. That's it. You've created an AI voiceover in CapCut, ready to pair with your visuals. Keep your script concise, use punctuation thoughtfully, and preview often to dial in the perfect sound. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!